y'all? It's your girl Keyunna. Thanks for clicking on my channel. Thanks for tuning back in with me. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Today's video will be me showing you how I get this high puff baby girl. How I get this high bun, high puff, whatever you want to call it. A slick, thicker than this nigga. Puff on your natural hair. So stay tuned. And keep watching. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Keyunna. Thanks for clicking on my channel. Thanks for tuning in back with me. First thing first, you're gonna need a pick or a wide tooth comb. I use this one because it works great. Next you're gonna need hair gel. Normally I use Eco Styler, but I could not find it. And girl, to be honest, this one was bigger than a normal Eco Styler gel I get. So I was like, I'm gonna try this one, and it was only like $1 and some change. And girl, it works just as good as Eco Styler. The hard brush. Yep. For your edges, you can either still use the gel, but I like to use Got To Be because my edges last longer with Got To Be. And my toothbrush for my baby nails. Also, you'll need 2 hair ties. If your hair not long enough for a hair tie, you can use, I've used a shoestring before, I've used a stocking, and you just tie it around your head and pull it up. But that's not what we're doing today. But first, I'm gonna just try to comb my hair out a little bit. Comb. Now I'm gonna start combing it upward. Like so. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and I'm gonna start putting it on my front. Like that. I'm just gonna put it all over the perimeter, so my hair can lay down. Also, you'll need a scarf. Cause if your hair anything like mine, my hair like to revert, honey. Take your brush. You just want to start brushing your hair into place. Okay. Just gonna start training it into that ponytail. A high ponytail. Okay. Grab it all at the top. And you just wanna work it. This, I don't know about y'all, but this be making my arms tired. So actually gonna dip the brush into the gel. And I'm just gonna comb out my baby hairs that I want out. It's not a lot. Okay, once your ponytail is smooth, I'm just gonna get it as tight as you want it to be, and I normally just wrap it around 3 times, and then I pull it, and then girl, you just wanna fluff it out. Okay. Jesus, and you want to look at your head from every angle and make sure that it looks okay. Do I look alright? Sometimes the top be looking a little crazy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take You just want to start doing your baby hairs however you do. Swoop. You see that? Swoop. Look at that. Swoop. Girl. You see that? Look how easy that was. Tell me that wasn't easy. Okay? Just tell me how easy it is to do a pop. Super easy. I should bring some hair out on the side of it. Yeah. Girl, if you ain't got no edges, you're just gonna have to make you some, okay? You're just gonna have to make it work. Alright. Everybody wasn't blessed with edges. Use what you got. And my forehead big, so I like doing this because it cover up some of this forehead, honey. Okay. So basically, that's how I do my puff. That's it. So I'm just gonna take a pea-sized amount, not a lot. I'm just gonna run that over my edges. You don't want to use a lot of this, a lot of Got2b, because it will turn on white and crusty, even though it says no flaking. It flakes, okay? It says no flaking, but that's a lie. It's still gonna flake. Okay. And that's it. See? But yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Keyunna_Labrie. Add me on Snapchat at PowerTripBae.